Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. In the month of December 2020, CMA Institute has conducted CMA Foundation examinations. Today, that is on January 27th, 2021, CMA Institute has announced the results of those examinations. That is CMA Foundation examinations conducted in the month of December 2020. Now, several students are sending messages to me when they need to register for CMA Inter, my dear students. My dear students, there are various types of students who have written their CMA Foundation examinations. Let us assume some students have written CMA Foundation exams exclusively. That means they did not do CA and CMA Foundation simultaneously. They have written CMA Foundation exams alone for the first time in December 2020. Now, these students, first they need to take coaching for CMA Inter. We shall not forget that they need to take coaching for CMA Inter. If coaching starts now for CMA Inter, that is in the first week of February, if coaching gets started in the first week of February, then it will take at least 7 to 8 months to finish off the coaching. That's why in those cases, you can write your CMA Inter examinations in the month of December 2021 only. Of course, as per rule, those who are going to register on or before 31st January 2021 will get eligibility to write CMA Inter exams in June 2021 itself. You will get the eligibility, but the problem is by that time coaching will not get completed. That's why even though you get the eligibility to write exams in June 2021 itself, it is not recommended because your coaching will not get completed, and hence I recommend you to write your CMA Inter exams in December 2021 itself. As per rules, if you register on or before 31st January, then you will get eligibility to write exams in June itself. Similarly, if you want to appear for exams in December, then the last date to register for CMA Inter is 31st July. In such a case, you can do registration on or before 31st July. That means, let us assume you have recently qualified CMA Foundation and you are doing CMA course alone. You are not doing CA or any other course. You are doing CMA Foundation alone. In such a case, you have two options. Number one, you register now. You do your CMA Inter registration now. You will get the eligibility to write CMA Inter exams in June, but you will skip that. You will write exams in December 2021 attempt only. That is after completion of coaching. In such a case, what is the need to do registration now? Because you need to take care of the financial matters also. So, in such a case, our last date is 31st July. If you want to appear for CMA Inter exams in December, then the last date is 31st July. So, that is option number one. Option number two, wait till 31st July. And then do your registration process. Anything is okay. So, if you don't have any financial issues, you have enough amount, then you can do registration now itself. If you have any financial issues, then you can postpone and do registration on or before 31st July. In such a case, you will be eligible to write your exams in December 2021. So, technically, you will get the eligibility to write exams in June 2021 itself, but by that time, your coaching will not get completed. That's why it's better to write your CMA Inter exams in December 2021 itself. And one more thing, from February 1st to 2021 onwards, CMA Institute is going to increase the registration amount of CMA Inter by around 2000. So the registration fees is going to increase by around 2000. So if you postpone your registration, then you need to pay 2000 more. So you consider all these factors and take a decision when to do your registration. But remember, registration is different from exam application. So in addition to registration, you need to apply for the examination separately. This is first category of students, that is who are doing CMA course alone. Now let us understand second category of students. So there are numerous number of students, large number of students who have written their CA Foundation examinations, in December, and CMA Foundation examinations also in the month of December. So such students need to take CA Inter coaching now. Those students need to take CA Inter coaching now, provided they qualify their CA Foundation. So one possibility is you get qualified in CA Foundation and you get promoted to CA Inter and you will come for CA Inter coaching. In such a case, when are you going to write your CA Inter exams? November 2021. So don't plan to write CMA Inter exams before completion of CA Inter exams. That means you must plan to write your CMA Inter exams in December 2021 only. Of course, if you register for CMA Inter on or before 31st January, then you will get the eligibility to write your CMA Inter in June 2021 itself. But by that time, syllabus of CA Inter and syllabus of CMA Inter will not get completed. That's why you better wait till December 2021. Since you are planning to write your CMA Inter exams in December 2021, you can do registration either now or you can do registration on or before 31st July 2021. My dear students, don't forget, very soon if you get qualified in CA Foundation, you need to pay registration fees for CA Inter course also. You need to pay fee for CA Inter coaching also. So you need to consider all these factors. If you don't have any issues in financial matters, then you can do registration now also. Otherwise, if you want to plan properly, then you wait till 31st July and then do registration on or before 31st July. In such a case, you may need to pay 2000 additionally as the registration fees is going to get increased. So let us consider another possibility also. Let us assume you have written your CA Foundation exams in December and CMA Foundation exams also in December, and in the results of CA Foundation you got failed. Even in that case, don't do registration for CMA Inter now. At least wait till 31st July 2021 and then do your registration. Because let us assume you get failed in CA Foundation. Then you need to write your CA Foundation exams again, which will be held in May 2021. After that, you will come for coaching of CA Inter and you will write your CA Inter examinations in May 2022. In such a case, it is better to write CMA Inter examinations in June 2022. In simple words, you plan to write your CMA Inter examinations only after writing CA Inter exams. There will be some more category of students. One category is, let us assume you have written both the exams. You are able to qualify CMA Foundation, but you are unable to qualify CA Foundation. Now, either you can continue CA, or you may take a decision to switch over from CA to CMA. Even in that case, you need to join for CMA Inter coaching now, which will be started in the first week of February, and you need to take coaching, and you can only write your CMA Inter exams, which will be held in December 2021. So for writing CMA Inter exams in December 2021, the last date to register is 31st July 2021. Even in that case, I recommend you to wait till 31st July 2021 and do your registration process. The only thing is, registration fee will get increased by around 2000. That is the only financial impact you will have. Some students might have already finished their CA Inter coaching and now they have qualified CMA Foundation. Now the advice for such kind of students is, since your CA Inter coaching is already completed, you register for CMA Inter now itself, that is on or before 31st January itself. You register for CMA Inter now itself and plan to write your CMA Inter exams in June 2021 itself. Since your CA Inter coaching is already completed, you can comfortably appear for CMA Inter examinations to be held in June 2021. So the simple rule you need to follow is plan to write your CMA Inter exams only after writing the CA Inter exams. If you are going to write your CA Inter exams in May, then plan to write CMA Inter exams in June. If you are going to write your CA Inter exams in November, then plan to write your CMA Inter exams in December. In that manner, you need to plan. So, if you have decided to write your CMA Inter exams in December, then better to wait till 31st July and do your registration. If you have decided to write your CMA Inter exams in June itself, then you need to do registration now itself, that is on or before 31st January. Earlier, this kind of situation did not arise because earlier CMA Foundation examinations used to get released around February 3rd week, February 22, 23, like that. But the last date to register is 31st January itself. That's why the students who get qualified in CMA Foundation will get an opportunity to write CMA Inter only in the month of December of that year only. But this time the results got announced on or before 31st January itself, and thereby students got an opportunity to get registered themselves on or before 31st January itself, and they will get eligibility to appear for CMA Inter exams in June 2021 itself. It's not question of eligibility. The question is when you are really ready and willing to write your CMA Inter exams. Based on that, you need to take a decision, my dear students. All the best.